Okay, so I have the Cooler Master Storm Scout case, and I am installing a solid state drive. And so in case you lost your owner's manual or anything and you do not know how to do it, and there's not really any videos on YouTube, so what you do is you install the brackets that came in the white little box, and you install them onto the bottom of the solid state drive. And then there's the little like toolless hard drive mounting things that come with the box and everything. And then you just kind of clip those on, and then you just get it in place where you want it and slide it in. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed.